demand for freelance writers has increased. In today's digital age, the demand for freelance writers has skyrocketed. Many companies and individuals are looking for talented writers who can produce high-quality content for their websites, blogs, and social media platforms. The best part is that you don't even have to leave your house to land high-paying freelance writing gigs. With the right skills, strategies, and networking, you can build a successful freelance writing career right from the comfort of your own home. First and foremost, it is crucial to develop your writing skills. If you feel like you need to improve your writing skills, there are numerous resources available online, such as writing courses, workshops, and tutorials. Taking advantage of these resources will help you polish your writing style and enhance your chances of landing high-paying gigs. Once you have honed your writing skills, it's time to build a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best writing samples that showcase your abilities to potential clients. Start by creating a website or a blog where you can showcase your work. Include a variety of writing samples that highlight your versatility as a writer. If you don't have any professional writing experience, consider writing guest posts for popular blogs or offering your services for free to non-profit organizations. This will help you gain valuable writing samples and build your credibility as a writer. Networking is another essential aspect of landing high-paying freelance writing gigs. Join online writing communities and forums where you can connect with other writers and potential clients. Engage in discussions, offer advice, and share your experiences. This will not only help you build relationships with other writers, but also increase your visibility within the writing community. Additionally, make use of social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to connect with potential clients, showcase your work, and share valuable writing tips and insights. When it comes to finding high-paying freelance writing gigs, it's important to market yourself effectively. Create a professional and enticing writer's resume that highlights your skills, experiences, and writing accomplishments. Additionally, consider creating a writer's website or online portfolio where potential clients can learn more about you and your work. Use search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to ensure that your website ranks high in search engine results when potential clients are looking for freelance writers. Another effective strategy to land high-paying freelance writing gigs is to pitch your ideas directly to clients. Research companies, websites, and publications that align with your writing niche or interests. Study their content, understand their target audience, and come up with unique and compelling article ideas that you can pitch to them. Craft a personalized email introducing yourself, showcasing your writing skills, and presenting your article ideas. Building a reputation as a reliable and professional writer is crucial to attracting high-paying clients. Use credible sources and ensure that your writing is error-free and engaging. In conclusion, with the right skills, strategies, and networking, you can successfully land high-paying freelance writing gigs without leaving your house. Develop your writing skills, build a portfolio, network with other writers and potential clients, market yourself effectively, pitch your ideas directly to clients, and always deliver quality work. By following these steps, you can build a thriving freelance writing career from the comfort of your own home.